In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix your Roblox voice chat not showing up. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It can be very frustrating when voice chat doesn't appear since it stops you from talking with others in games. Don't worry, we've got a few solutions you can try. These steps work whether your voice chat is missing from your Roblox game or from your Roblox settings. Begin by checking your settings in the top right of the corner. There's going to be this gear icon. Click on it and then select settings. From here, scroll down until you find the phone number section right here and add your phone number. Go ahead and verify it and you're good to go. From here, now go to the left-hand menu and select privacy and content restrictions, and then scroll down to the communication tab and open that up and look for voice chat. Open up that setting and enable your microphone and then hit enable one more time. If your voice chat still doesn't show up, you may need to verify your age. Go back to account info and enter in your birthday in this personal section right here. You'll need to upload a valid ID for this step, so keep that in mind. Once your age is verified though, return back to privacy, go back into communication, voice chat, and tick this back on. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this.